Hey guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to make an inverted fishtail bracelet out of rainbow loom rubber bands. So let's just get right into the video. The things you will be needing are different colored rubber bands. I'm using red and yellow, and you also need a C-clip, or you can use an S-clip if you want. First, take a rubber band, for me that is going to be red, and loop it around your fingers, but make sure it makes a figure 8. Keep in mind this is the only figure 8 we are going to be making. The rest of the rubber bands is going to be straight across. Next, take your second colored rubber band, for me that's yellow, and loop it straight across both fingers, just like that. Make sure you slide the rubber bands down so you have room for your next rubber band, which is red for me. Wrap the rubber band straight across both fingers, just like that. Now take the bottom figure 8 rubber band and pull it over the other 2 rubber bands, just like how I'm doing. Now, do the same thing to the other side. This is how yours should look like so far. Always slide the rubber bands down so you have room for putting another rubber band on top. Then take another rubber band and wrap it around your fingers. Now, take the bottom rubber band and pull it over the other 2 rubber bands, just like how you did with the figure 8 rubber band. Make sure to do it on both sides. Now this is what yours should be looking so far. Don't forget to slide the rubber bands down. Place another rubber band on top. But instead of how you did it before, take the middle rubber band and put it under the bottom rubber band. Now you can take the red rubber band and pull it up and over. Do the same thing to the other side. Take the middle rubber band and put it under the bottom rubber band, and then take the bottom rubber band and pull it up and over. This is how your bracelet should look like so far. All you have to do now is follow these same steps until your bracelet is long enough to fit around your wrist. If you want, you can use another bracelet that's your size as a reference for the length of your new bracelet. When you think you're done with your bracelet, take the bottom rubber band and pull it up and over the middle rubber band, just like that. Now, take the remaining rubber band and put it inside your C-clip, just like how I'm doing. Now take the other end of the bracelet and put that also in the C-clip. Now you have a beautiful inverted fishtail bracelet. Alright, that is it for this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Also, hit that like button if you want to see more rainbow loom videos from my channel. Stay home and stay safe. I love you guys so much. Bye!